In Google Keyword Planner, first position bid shows 70 cents for specific keyword, but Google suggests 120 manual CPC. What can I do? So the keyword planner is like a estimate. Don't go by that. Oh, Google is saying 70p. Why is it charging me 120? It all depends on how many competitors there are. As simple as that. So that bid will keep updating and changing in real time. So as long as you are getting the impressions, the clicks, and not losing out on the impression share, your bids need to be competitive. And yeah, you want to show your ads as many times as possible when somebody searches for that keyword. So I won't stress too much about what Google says. It's actually what we are getting. And if I'm paying more and my conversion rate goes high, it doesn't matter because my cost per conversion will go down if my conversion rate is high. I don't want a cheap click and a lower conversion rate because then my cost per conversion will go up. As simple as that.